Good morning, students. Hope you all are good. Today we are going to start our next topic, heart. Heart is the muscular pumping organ of our body that keeps the blood flowing and continually moving in the blood vessels. Heart beats continually non-stop throughout the life. The main function of heart is to pump out the blood in our body. And human heart is about the size of your closed fist, and it is located at the center of the chest cavity, slightly tilted towards the left. This is the location of heart. So this is the internal structure of heart. Students, it's a diagrammatic representation of heart with well labeling. Students, please try to learn the labeling of diagram. It's very important. The next one is function of heart. So the main function of heart is to pump out the blood throughout the body. So the heart pumps oxygen and nutrient-rich blood to the organs, tissues and cells of the body and also eliminates waste products. Next one is the blood carried from the heart to the organs through arteries, arterioles and capillaries. These arteries, arterioles and capillaries, all these are called blood vessels. And also blood returns to the heart through the venules and veins. So students, arteries, veins and capillaries, these all are blood vessels by which our blood flow and in our body. Next is chambers of heart. As you know, the heart has 4 chambers, atrium and ventricle. So it has 4 chambers. It is divided into 2 main categories, right and left. So right atrium, right ventricle and left atrium, left ventricle. The 2 upper chambers of heart are called atrium. It is also called atria, and the 2 lower ones are called ventricles. Blood flows from atrium, that means atria, to ventricles through atrioventricular valve. As you know, what is valve? Valve helps to prevent the backflow of the blood in the heart. Students, this diagram represents the circulation of blood in the heart in our body. So try to learn these diagrams also. Now students, this is the functioning of heart. So how blood flows in the heart to body, and also blood flows from body to heart. So first one is right atrium. So right atrium of heart receives the blood from vena cava and sends blood to the right ventricle. After that, right ventricle sends deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated means carbon dioxide rich blood to lungs through pulmonary artery. As you have also see these parts, pulmonary artery, right atrium, ventricles, in the diagram of heart. Next one is lungs. In the lungs, deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated. That means carbon dioxide rich blood becomes oxygen rich blood. Next is left atrium. So this left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs through pulmonary veins and then sends blood to the left ventricle. After that, when blood sends to the left ventricle, then left ventricle sends oxygenated blood to the body through aorta. And last one is body cells. Then body cells take oxygen from oxygenated blood and give out carbon dioxide. And then blood becomes again deoxygenated, and again this oxygenated blood is collected by veins is collected by veins and poured into vena cava. And then vena cava takes the blood to the right atrium. Then again this process repeated and repeated. So students, we conclude that this is the path of the blood flow from heart, arteries, then capillaries, then veins, and then after that back to heart. Then same procedure will repeat it again. So students, your homework is please revise the topic of heart and try to draw the diagram of heart and this blood circulation, and also try to learn this. So thank you so much.